Evening, folks. We're live at 7-Eleven, as you can see here, and we are battling for a very nice blue Saber Luke Jedi, for which there are 20 spots. Let's go up and take a look at him. One last time before we get this underway. He's nice, no doubt about it. I'm going to copy the list, paste the list in, of 20 spots, as you can see there. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 or better. There, we got a 5. So we are all set. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Nate takes round 1 with number 3. Jason 2. Jason 3. Matt in the top spot for round 4 with number 4. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winner is Kyle Billings, in at number 16. Congrats, Kyle. Here's the verification. We'll make it legit. CNKCYT. Kyle, in at number 16 is our champ. I'm done. That's 7:12 p.m. Eastern Time. There it is. One last time. Here's our results. Congrats, Kyle. See you next time, guys. Thanks.